Good morning, beautiful people of the internet. I'm at the lake this weekend, and I brought my car, and I have the quad, and I have my dog, and I just tripped, and I climbed up a hill, so I'm out of breath. Give me a second. Okay, so we're gonna go unload the car, we're gonna unload the quad, and then we're gonna send up the drone, and then we're gonna rip around and do some sweet driving on the ice road here at the lake. Here we go. Oh, my mom's totally into that selfie Instagram thing. Not really. I found her walking on the lake, total stranger who gave birth to me once upon a time. That's my mom. Say hi to the internet, Mom. You didn't say hi, you just waved. Say it.
Hello.
Oh, there we
Hi.
go. Okay, bye. such a good drift. Such a good drift. Oh, oh, my insides are tingling. They're so happy. Have it, another day on a great Canadian frozen winter land called the lake. This is the ice road. We're ripping around on there. So guys, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you want to see some more of this stuff. One day I probably will have tracks on this thing at some point, because that will just be an awesome day. So if you want to see that day happen, subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the more likes on this video I get, the more likely it is to happen. So let me know in the comments below what you like and what you don't like, maybe. Yeah, let's call that a day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.
This is awesome!